So today we've been working on this brand new Volkswagen Tiguan 2019. We've actually fitted our Smart Pro package onto it, so we have full control for Bluetooth and for GSM. So it's actually connected to the customer's phone, and here we can actually lock, and that will deadlock the doors and arm the original alarm system on the car, as well as disarm, bring the mirrors back out, and then fold all together as well. On this particular install we've also fit remote engine start as well, and from the Smart Pro you can start it via Bluetooth using your mobile phone app or GSM anywhere in the world. So if we just press the remote start button now, start the car. You can then simply unlock it, jump in and drive away. This car has comfort access as well, so we've also got the ability to lock it through there, completely keyless, and again unlock. All our alarm system packages come with a Bluetooth app which works through your mobile phone, and what that will actually do is, as you can see, it's connected to the car itself. We can see on this particular install we've got fuel reading, internal temperature, external engine temperature. We've also got the battery voltage of the car itself as well. If we open the door, you'll see door open, and that will go for every door on the vehicle as well. So another option with the Smart Pro is actually tracking as well. So as soon as the vehicle moves, you actually see it move every 15 to 20 seconds, so it will plot a route on the map itself. You also have the ability to control your car anywhere in the world as well. So through GSM, you can lock, unlock and remote start your car as well. For more information on this and any other alarm systems, please visit us at www.pandoracaralarms.co.uk.